अब हम शुरू करते हैं क्लास 1 का कंप्यूटर चैप्टर 1।
Chapter 1 Computer in our world. See the picture. You can see that all persons are working with computer.
यानी कि आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हो कि जितने सारे पर्सन हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी रूप में कंप्यूटर पर वर्क करते हुए देखे जा रहे हैं। जैसे स्मार्ट क्लास, बिजनेस सेक्टर, ऑफिस जहाँ हम कंप्यूटर का भी यूज करते हैं, और बैंकिंग सेक्टर एंड एट होम, यानी कि हम कंप्यूटर का यूज घर पर भी करते हैं।
Different types of computer. First, desktop computer. Second, laptop. Third, tablet. And fourth, smartphone. Next topic is machine. A machine helps in making our life simpler and faster.
यानी मशीन के सहायता से हम अपने लाइफ को सबसे सिंपल और सबसे तेज बना सकते हैं।
A machine is a gadget that reduces human effort. Machines have some common features like they make our work easier, save time and energy, do not make mistakes, and do not get tired. Next topic is types of machines. First, manual machine. Second, automatic machines. Some machines are manual, that is, they work with human powers. Like bicycle and juicer machine. Some machines run on fuel. For example, car and bus. Some machines run on electricity.
Like television and a refrigerator. Next topic is what is computer? Computer is an electronic machine that operates on electricity. Next topic is usage of computers in different areas. Play games, draw pictures, type documents, and watch movie, cartoon, and chat with a friend, and use the internet at home. Next topic is benefits of a computer, यानी कि कंप्यूटर से हम लोगों को कौन कौन से फायदे मिल सकते हैं। It does not make mistake if the input is correct. It makes our work easy. It can store lots of information. It works very easy. It never gets tired. The end, chapter 1. And thank you for watching my video and subscribe the channel